In this video, I will show you how to remove a piece of clothing that could be preventing the washer from draining properly. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet and keep it disconnected. Let me show you how to open the top panel. To remove the top panel, you will need to remove this cover plate. And these two screws. This is the way to disengage the top panel from the washer. Move the top panel forward, lift it, move it backward, and lift it up. Go ahead and open the top panel. And lean it against the wall. Make sure that it's not going to fall down because it could break or disconnect wires. Next, you need to remove the agitator. Remove the fabric softener dispenser. Remove the agitator ducts cover. Be careful not to break it. It could be a little harder to remove if you have not taken it out in a little while. You could use the needle nose pliers to pull it out. Mine came out easy because it's clean. Okay? Next, you need to remove the 7/16 head agitator holding screw. Try to leave the screw in the agitator so it'll be easier to install the agitator later on. Grab the agitator from the bottom so it won't come apart when you take it out. And remove the agitator. Next, you need to remove this top cover. I made this tool from an old butter knife to make it easier to remove the top cover. To make one like this, you need to heat the butter knife to be able to bend it like this. Otherwise, the knife will break. This is the way that I use the tool to unhook the tabs that are holding the top cover. This little tool could help you take out the top cover easier and you won't break the tabs. This is the way that the tabs hold the top cover in place. So if you break the tabs, you're going to have a loose top cover, banging all over the place. Go ahead and remove the top cover. Next, you will need to remove the spanner nut. To remove it, you will need a spanner nut wrench like this. Check the video description to see a link if you need to get one. You will also need a good hammer. To remove the spanner nut, use the spanner nut wrench and the hammer the way that I'm doing it here. Go ahead and remove the spanner nut. To remove it, you need to turn the spanner nut wrench counterclockwise like this. To get the spin drum out, you will need to break it loose from the washer dry block by rocking it side by side, then taking it out. Now you could remove anything obstructing the water pump from draining the water out of the tub. If you have anything stuck on the pump and drain hole, you will need to remove this cover to take it out. After removing the obstruction, put the cover back in place. Now is a good time for you to clean the inside of the tub, if you wanted to, before you install the spin drum. Put the spin drum inside of the tub. Turn it around if you need to make sure that it's in the center. And install the spanner nut, making sure that it's tight. Be careful when you swing in the hammer. You don't want to hit the spin drum and chip the porcelain, okay? Next, you need to install the top cover. Align the cover with the tub and push down on the cover, making sure that all the tabs are locked in place. Now you could install the agitator. Push the agitator all the way in. Make sure to tighten the agitator holding screw. Clean and install the agitator duct's cover. You could use a needle nose pliers to install it. Make sure that it is seated properly to avoid soapy water to enter where the agitator ducts are located. Put the fabric softener dispenser in place and push down on it to lock it. Lower the top cover and make sure that it's locked in place. Screw in the 2 whole new screws on the back. And install the little cover. Connect the washer to the wall outlet and try it to see how it works now. If this video helped you and you want to support my channel, there is a PayPal me link on the description that you could use. Thank you. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button to be notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.